Let's start with something that threw me off right away. The bus situation. In Kazakhstan, when someone older steps onto the bus, you stand up. Pregnant women, of course. Elderly, sure. But also, anyone who looks like they could be 5 minutes older than you stand. Okay, I might be exaggerating a little bit, but let's say 15, 20 years older than you, then it's totally normal to give up your seat for them. It's an automatic sign of respect. So picture me sitting on the bus in Spain, glancing around, watching a woman in her 50s standing nearby, and no one is moving. I was ready to launch myself into the aisle like a superhero, but everyone else? Chilled, calm, unbothered. Turns out that in Spain, you only give up your seat if the person clearly needs it. Someone elderly, pregnant, or injured.